Standard Chartered Bank offers a loan against property for both salaried and self-employed individuals. To be eligible, applicants must be between 21 and 65 years of age and have a CIBIL score exceeding 700. If eligible, applicants can avail a loan amount ranging from 30 lakh rupees to 25 crore rupees with a tenure of 3 to 15 years. Lock-in fee is 5,900 and the interest rate ranges from 9% to 12% on a reducing basis. The turnaround time for approval is 10 days, with insurance charges ranging from 0% to 4%. Foreclosure charges may be nil after 12 months if Udhayam registration other the charges is up to 4% and processing fees range from 0.50% to 1%. Part payments are allowed and the available products include fresh loan, balance transfer with top-up. The lock-in period is 12 months. For self-employed individuals, a minimum business vintage of 3 years is required. Bajaj Housing Finance's unique selling points, USP, include LTV up to 90%. The eligible location for the loan is all metro cities. Some occupations and properties are restricted under this loan. Ineligible profiles include salaried applicant, politician, jewelers, real estate applicant living in dominated area. Additionally, unapproved property, without map property, leasehold property without PTM, stand-alone basement, auction property, demolition list property, Lal Dora property, Khasra and Khatoni property, subject to sale deed property, GPA property, gift deed property, single sale deed property, legal and technical not clear, stone slab property, hotel and restaurant, hospital and nursing home, school, multi-tenanted unit, regularized colony and specific professional products are not covered by this loan. For salaried applicants, required documents include KYC documents for both the applicant and co-applicant, the last 3 months' salary slips of the applicant, the last 12 months' bank statements for both the applicant and co-applicant, and the last 2 years' Form 16 for the applicant. Income documents such as the last 3 years' income tax returns, ITR, with computation of income for both the applicant and co-applicant, along with the 26 as for the last 2 years, are necessary. The applicant's appointment letter, if available, is required, along with an agreement to sale in purchase cases. Property documents should include the complete chain of ownership from the last 13 years. If the application is for a balance transfer, BT, case, an LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement, and SOI, statement of account, are required, along with the sanction letter of all ongoing loans. Proof of residence, such as the latest utility bill if the residence is owned, or a rent agreement if rented, is also needed. Finally, two references with contact details should be provided. For self-employed applicants, required documents include KYC documents for both the applicant and co-applicant, the last 3 years ITR with income computation, and the last 3 years tax audited balance sheet of the applicant. Additionally, the last 12 months bank statements for both the applicant and co-applicant and the last 2 years 26 as are required. Business documents such as a copy of GST registration, MSME registration, and the last 12 months of GST returns must be provided, along with an agreement to sale in cases of new purchase. Property papers with a complete 13-year ownership chain are needed, along with an approved property map if available. For balance transfer cases, the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI are required, as well as the sanction letter for all ongoing loans and a debt sheet. Proof of residence, like the latest utility bill if the residence is owned or a rent agreement if rented, is necessary, along with proof of office ownership or rental if applicable. Additional business details include the last 3 years of debtors and creditors on letterhead, as well as a list of directors and shareholders for companies or a list of partners if the applicant operates as a partnership or LLP. Two references with contact details are also required.